Okay, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to export your design token in Supernova and create hook or automation and save your token into your repo in GitHub. So let's get started. Okay, because in this video we are going to export your token or design token to GitHub repository. So I will not talking or repeating the how to process import the token into Supernova. Okay, so now because I already have the token in this platform, and we can go to code integration. Okay, so in code integration menu has 4 tab. So now is the installed exporter. So I already installed the exporter. Yeah, it has 3 under it, CSS and also CSS. Let's say if you want to add more or find the exporter, specific exporter that you want to use, let's say Flutter, less CSS, so you can find on store tab. So this is the some exporter available in this menu. Okay. Okay, because I already have the 3 exporter that I think is enough. So yeah, I don't need to install. So if you want to install, it's very simple. Let's say you want to install the Flutter. Yeah, let's say you can hit the install. Okay, and then we can see the Flutter in this menu. Okay, in this tab. Okay. Okay, now is build. So build is the, let's say, like if you already built, you can directly download the code based on what you the latest build from the exporter. But for now we are going to create automate or hook function from this menu. Okay, but before we create a hook function, you need to connect your account, Supernova account, to GitHub. Okay, let's continue to integration. Okay, now we need to integrate your account GitHub to Supernova. To integrate with GitHub, you need to authentication from profile menu. So you can access to profile menu, profile setting, and then integration, and then you can select GitHub. So this you need to integrate with GitHub, so you can sign in. Okay, it will show the pop-up and you need to authorize and install and authorize, and you click install and authorize. Okay, maybe you may not seen the pop-up. Okay, so you can click install and authorizing, and it will show like this. Okay, so this my GitHub, and then we can go back to menu, integration, code integration, and also back to hook. Now in hook menu, you can hit plus new hook, and then you can test Supernova tokens, for example. Okay, for event, so for the event I will choose head changes. So every time has some changes in my Supernova account, so the hook will automate update to GitHub. So you can select the event with suitable your case. So for my case, I just need to head change option. Okay, I select, and also for the exporter I will select the SCSS, and for the brand, because now I only have one as default, so I just choose default. And next. Okay, in this case, for deliverable, your delivery, you can select to GitHub. Okay, open the GitHub, and then the system will loading file, and also you need to select the repository. So in my case, I will add the name. So I haven't created the repository, so in this case I think I will need to create a new repository. Okay, in GitHub, so I think you know how to create a new repository on GitHub. Just select a plus and create new repository. I will select the Supernova test token. Okay, I will set this for public, and I will add readme and then create. Okay, when it's done, so we can go back to Supernova and you can refresh the repository. Okay, and you can see will shown here Supernova test token. Okay, now we can add select as main. Okay, for the path the folder, so I will add. So but this is the optional, but I would like to add as a token folder, and then confirm. Okay, I will confirm. Okay, now the token is already created. Now I will, let's say I will add some changes. So let's see, first I think I will see from here. So I will check, it's already no, because we don't have, we have full request. Yeah, full request. So this is the from the Supernova. So the hook automation is work well, and you can see this is the some token. Okay, now we need to merge pull request. Okay, confirm, and then as you can see go back to code and see it has some one folder tokens, and also we have the folder color, gradient, index, and etc. So let's say I want to see the typography. So this is the typography from my Supernova account, because this typography get from Figma. I import the link Figma to Supernova, and Supernova will patch the data all the related with the style and as a token, and then we automate a hook from Supernova to GitHub, and GitHub will detect the pull request from Supernova, but we need the confirmation from us to merge or not merge. Okay, now we already have some token based on Supernova exporter. Okay, so this we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 type of tokens. Okay, let's say if you want to add some, let's say I want to go back to the content and I will add some, let's say I will add some asset from here. I will say I will add measure. So let's say I will add new token. Let's say spacing SM XXL, let's say, yeah, for example, and I will add the value is 8 pixel, and then okay, now I have added new token. Okay, now let's see, do we have a pull request from here? Okay, now we have one pull request because I already added new token in a Supernova. So if I want to see, you can select and you can check availability. Okay, now if you want to see the latest changes, so you can hit this one. Let's say I want to see file changes. Okay, this is the new changes from the Supernova. Okay, now I already add spacing XL as 8 pixel. Okay, now if I want to merge, so you can full merge here, so you can add and you can confirm merge. Okay, that's all. That's the how you can add a new token from Supernova, and every changes from here will update to GitHub, to our repository, to your repository. Okay, because I already set as the head changes. Not every time a new file from Figma will update, but every time I make some changes from here will update to GitHub. Okay, that's all how to export. So that's the video tutorial. I hope you get my point and learn something in this video tutorial. And if you have a question, so you can leave a comment. So don't forget to like and subscribe my video. So see you soon and bye bye.